Today's topic is standard enthalpy of chemical reaction. Standard enthalpy of reaction is an enthalpy change accompanying reaction when all substances involved are in their standard state. म्हणजे अशी एक रिॲक्शन की ज्याच्यामध्ये जेवढे काही सबस्टन्सेस इन्व्हॉल्व्ह होत आहेत सगळेच्या सगळे सबस्टन्सेस जर स्टँडर्ड स्टेटमध्ये असेल आणि अशा रिॲक्शनमध्ये जर एन्थाल्पी चेंज होत असेल तर दॅट इज स्टँडर्ड एन्थाल्पी ऑफ रिॲक्शन. This standard enthalpy of chemical reaction is indicated or denoted by delta H degree or delta RH degree. Now, what do you mean by standard state of a substance? So, standard state of a substance is a form in which substances are most stable at pressure 1 bar or 1 atm, temperature 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin, and if the substances are in a solution, then concentration must be 1 molar. Next topic is standard enthalpy of formation. Now here it is denoted by delta FH degree. Here F for formation. Okay. Now let's discuss its definition. A standard enthalpy of formation of a compound is defined as enthalpy change that accompanies a reaction in which 1 mole of pure compound in its standard state is formed from its constituent elements also in their standard state. It means that when in a reaction from a constituent elements which are in a standard state, we prepare a 1 mole of pure compound in the standard state, the enthalpy change in a reaction and that enthalpy is called enthalpy of formation. ओके. म्हणजेच आपण काय करू तर एक अशी रिॲक्शन घेऊ की त्या रिॲक्शन मध्ये एक 1 मोल ऑफ प्युअर कंपाऊंड प्रिपेअर करू, फॉर्म करू स्टँडर्ड स्टेटमध्ये आणि त्याच्यासाठी जे काही कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट एलिमेंट्स आहेत ते कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट एलिमेंट्स सुद्धा जर स्टँडर्ड स्टेटमध्ये असेल आणि या रिॲक्शनमध्ये म्हणजे या फॉर्मेशनच्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये जी काही एन्थॅल्पी चेंज होते त्याला आपण म्हणतो स्टँडर्ड एन्थॅल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन. ओके. आफ्टर दॅट द एक्झाम्पल H2 gaseous plus half of O2 gaseous, it gives H2 in the liquid state and there is the standard enthalpy of reaction is minus 286 kilojoule. Means during the formation of 1 mole of H2O, the enthalpy change for a reaction is minus 286 kilojoule. So in this reaction only H2O is formed. Okay, only H2O is formed. So the enthalpy of reaction, standard enthalpy of reaction is equals to the standard enthalpy of formation of H2. Okay, it means the standard enthalpy of formation of water is minus 286 kilojoule. Okay, then we have to remind some note. Standard enthalpy of formation of element from itself is 0. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी जर एखादा एलिमेंटचा फॉर्मेशन आहे तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू नेहमी करायला 0. फॉर एक्झाम्पल एन्थाल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ H2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. H2 पासून आपण डबल H2 बनवू शकत नाही. जर आपल्याला H2 प्रिपेअर करायचं आहे आणि H2 प्रिपेअर करण्यासाठी आपण काय वापरू हायड्रोजन गॅस, तर H2 पासूनच H2 तयार होणार नाही. तर अशा केसमध्ये एन्थाल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ एलिमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू 0 किंवा एलिमेंटल स्टेटमध्ये जर असेल तर त्याला आपण 0 कन्सिडर करू. In the same way, enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of formation of O2 gas is equals to again 0. Then enthalpy of formation of carbon, especially in the graphite, not in a diamond, the value is 0. Okay. Then enthalpy of formation of iodine in a solid state is equals to 0. Then phosphorus, enthalpy of formation of phosphorus, especially for white phosphorus, not a black or red phosphorus, the enthalpy of formation of P4 for white is equals to 0. And similarly for a sulfur enthalpy of formation again it is 0, but especially for a orthorhombic. Okay, consider a reaction A plus B, it gives C plus D, where small a, small b, small c and small d are the stoichiometric coefficients. Okay, for this chemical reaction, standard enthalpy of reaction can be written as delta H degree, standard enthalpy of reaction is equals to enthalpy of formation of C plus enthalpy of formation of D multiplied by its stoichiometric coefficient minus standard enthalpy of formation of A multiplied by its stoichiometric coefficient plus standard enthalpy of B multiplied by its stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, so in this equation C and D is a product. Okay, so in the next step we can write the summation of enthalpy of formation of product direct. C and D is a product, so total summation of enthalpy of formation is of a product. So here we write summation of delta F H degree product minus A and B is the reactants, so summation of delta F H degree of reactants. Okay, it means if we considering the reaction, then the standard enthalpy of reaction is equals to the difference between the standard enthalpy of formation of product minus standard enthalpy of formation of reactant. So this is the topic of standard enthalpy of formation.